Hi friends, today video about Poco F4 GT smartphone.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.
The Poco F4 GT smartphone is only the international version of the Redmi K50 Gaming Edition, which was launched in China. Everything you want to know about the Poco F4 GT is right here. Earlier this week, Poco introduced the Poco F4 GT smartphone. The new F-series telephone is a high-performance smartphone with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor that is aimed towards gamers. The phone succeeds last year's Poco F3 GT and consists of unique points, such as magnetic trigger buttons on the phone's shoulders. The Poco F4 GT comes with a 6.67-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a touch sampling refresh rate of 480 Hz. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, moreover, protects the display. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset is in command of the phone, which is combined with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. Poco's LiquidCool technology 3.0 makes use of a 4,860mm rectangular heat dissipation surface to keep the internals cool. A triple microphone system, quad speakers, 2 tweeters plus 2 woofers, Dolby Atmos, and a Cyber Engine ultra-wideband X-axis motor are among the other features. A 4,700 mAh battery with 120W of rapid wired charging is also included. The phone, according to Poco, can charge from 0 to 100% in 17 minutes. The phone's digital camera system has a 64MP Sony IMX686 primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 2MP macro sensor. A dedicated flicker sensor permits customers to capture photographs of other displays besides the flicker that is frequently produced. For selfies and video calls, there is also a 20MP front camera. Around the camera island on the lower back of the Poco F4 GT are RGB light elements. When the smartphone is being charged, these light up, and they can additionally be used to be notified of notifications if the smartphone is placed upside down. The Poco F4 GT's arrival in India is nonetheless a mystery. Poco India is yet to affirm this, but the Poco F3 GT was launched in India last year, so the successor is predicted to follow suit. In India, the gadget will face off against the OnePlus 10 Pro, Realme GT2 Pro, iQOO9 Pro, and the newly introduced Xiaomi 12 Pro. The 8GB per 128GB version of the Poco F4 GT charges €599, about 49,000 rupees, while the 12GB per 256GB variant costs €699, about 57,100 rupees. Cyber Yellow, Stealth Black, and Night Silver are the three hues presented for the phone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.